Sejal. So I'm turning 24 in like literally 3 hours. मैं अभी Philippines में हूँ. I've come for a trip with my brother.
Tell you that you're the one for me. I've been thinking a long time, maybe we could rewrite our history. So come with me and we'll take on the world. There's nothing that you.
And this is a super random video, totally unplanned, but I felt like doing it. So abhi we're gonna go get ready to go for a party or just go out. So I thought I'll get ready with you guys. That sounds very creepy, but not in a creepy way, but I'll show you what I'm wearing and blah blah blah. Yeah, so I don't have much time. Let's go. For my outfit, as promised from the outfit from scratch New Year's Eve videos, I'm gonna wear the same jumpsuit. Okay, so my brother is like the least fashionable person ever, so he's totally underdressed, but I don't care, it's my birthday, I want to dress up, so I'm gonna change and be right back. Alright, so I'm all changed and I'm sorry this video is just one frame, basically super random and already raat ho gayi hai, so I wanted it to be super relaxed. I'm gonna do a very jugadu job and just fix it with a rubber band for now. Oh, all fixed. I have such mixed feelings about turning 24. And also I saw so many people going outside to party in chappals and whatnot, so I'm thinking I'm gonna be overdressed as hell, but it's okay, it's my birthday. So I'm using the Benefit BB cream lightly over all my face. So my aim with this look is to make sure my brother doesn't call me overdressed, but I still want to satisfy my inner happiness. It's my birthday, man. So this is how you do this very quickly. I'm just tapping it on my face. Alright. Next, I'm gonna do blush. I'm carrying very limited makeup, just this much. So everything is just very compact and things that are not too expensive. So using a little bit of bronzer. And then I'm gonna use blush. Alright. Shit, I already look overdressed. Damn it. For my eyes, I'm just gonna do a very quick eyeshadow. I just got the Nudes palette. I didn't want to get my Naked palette because it kharab ho jata. Just using a neutral color all over my lid first. Then I'm just gonna add some black in the outer corner. Little bit of brown to blend that. Some golden in the middle. Just using the highlight to add to my inner corner. Brow bone, cheeks. Guys, I'm turning 24. I know I've said it 10 times in this video already, but damn. I can't explain the feeling, it feels very weird now. I've been dreading this day for a long time, but now that it's here, I think I'm gonna make peace with it soon. Just adding the Benefit Bad Gal mascara. It's the newest one, it's really good. I'm literally getting ready under 5 minutes, so I think that's what I'm gonna title this video. So what are you guys wishing for the new year? What are your resolutions? I currently have none. I just plan to enjoy my year, work hard and be happy. Alright, that's done. I'm gonna put some brow gel. I think filling them in these days I feel like makes them look too fake, so I just like doing this. लगता है कि कुछ तो किया है, and it just looks nice and done. Alright. Oh fuck. This is what happens when my brother is standing on my head. कि जल्दी करो. Okay, not bad. And for my lips, I'm doing like a matte red, slightly darker red color. Oh my god, it just fell out. What is happening? Okay, that's done, makeup done. So honestly for this trip I haven't got too many clothes. God. For my hair I'm just gonna do something really simple. I'm just gonna leave it as is. Like on this trip I haven't got too many fancy clothes or accessories or anything because I'm just afraid that it might get lost or stolen. So just gonna make do with whatever we have. Middle parting. Okay, cool. And for accessories, literally I'm just wearing my golden hoops. Alright. Oh my god, I got ready really quickly. Super happy about it. So I'm gonna show you the full look now. Alright, so this is the finished look. Like I said, it's like glam with like beach elements because I literally saw people going for parties in their flip-flops. So I'm carrying this beachy bag. I got this from Bali. And the jumpsuit, I think it looks bomb. I'm ready. Wish me luck. I think this birthday is going to be really fun. And Happy New Year to you guys as well. I know it's already the New Year when you're watching this. Have a great year. Bahut maze karo. Have fun. And I'm just going to go and turn 24. Bye.